Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete your account on SoundCloud website. So first of all, of course, you would like just to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. And of course, in my case, I'm actually using here Brave browser, but of course in your case you can use any other browser you could be working with or comfortable with. So of course, after you open your browser, just go and type soundcloud.com and hit the enter button. So from here, you would like to go and log in into your account, of course. But if you don't have an account, don't panic or anything, just go and create your account. You can even create your account with a Gmail or Facebook if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So after logging into your account, that will actually be your home or your main screen. And of course, you may have here different songs depending on what your songs listened recently to or what SoundCloud will suggest to you depending on your account. So of course, if you want to delete your account on SoundCloud, all you need to do, if you go here to your profile, that will actually first of all be your profile, of course. And as you said, if you want to delete this profile, which is your profile, just go and click at the three dots right here. Then all you need to do, just click at the settings option. So as you can see, this is actually our settings option. And of course, make sure to be on this account option, not in any other option. Okay. So of course, when you are in account option, just go and scroll down a bit and you will actually have here this option, which is delete account. So if you click on that, actually, if you want to tell them what is the reason why you are deleting your account, tell them. If you don't want to, just click at other. Tell them like or tell them nothing, and actually click make sure to enable this. So as you can see, yes, I want to delete my account and all my tracks, comments and sites. So of course for me, I don't want to delete my account, but for you, if you want to delete your account, just go ahead and click on that and you'll be good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.